Himachal Pradesh just made history by regulating cannabis cultivation for medical use. Himachal Pradesh just made history by regulating cannabis cultivation for medical use. The state has officially approved amendments to the NDPS rules 1989, making it the third state in India to permit controlled cannabis cultivation for medicinal and industrial purposes. The state has mandated that industrial hemp seeds must contain less than 0.3 tetrahydrocannabinol, THC. The Agriculture Department will create detailed guidelines and standard operating procedures within the next 6 months. Seed banks will be established to supply licensed farmers with approved seeds. This decision marks a significant step towards capitalizing on the state's natural resources and generating economic benefits. In a major administrative move, the Himachal Pradesh Cabinet has approved amendments to the NDPS Rules 1989. This decision establishes the first comprehensive legal framework for regulated cannabis cultivation, processing, manufacturing, storage, and transportation in the state. The approval follows a structured series of legislative and research-based developments that have unfolded over the past several years. The journey began when a high-level committee was formed to explore the feasibility of legalizing cannabis for non-narcotic use. In September 2023, this committee submitted a comprehensive report to the state government. After conducting extensive field visits to Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the committee's findings suggested that cannabis could be a viable industrial and horticultural crop under the permissions granted by Sections 10 and 14 of the Federal NDPS Act. Following the committee's recommendations, the State Assembly adopted a resolution in 2024 to move forward with the necessary legal amendments. To ensure that the policy was grounded in scientific evidence, the Cabinet previously approved a pilot study in January 2025. This research project evaluated the crop's potential and recommended the roadmap that eventually led to the current policy approval. The state government anticipates that transitioning from these early pilot stages to a formalized industrial sector will generate significant economic benefits. Projections suggest that the regulated industry could provide an additional annual revenue of approximately 500 crore rupees. The goal is to move beyond wild growth toward a structured pharmaceutical and industrial hemp sector that provides new opportunities for local farmers. Should cannabis cultivation be regulated and legalized for medicinal use? Tell us in the comments yes or no. Here's what this means for you. Always stay informed about the latest developments in cannabis legislation to ensure your rights are protected. Save this video for future reference. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.